Technically, it's not Black Friday yet, but I didn't want to wait. I also don't want you to wait or sleep on this deal because this deal, we are bringing it so strong, it is insane. Are you ready for it? If you spend $70 at PeteandPedro.com, there's a discount for 20% off. But that's not it. I said a sweet deal, a crazy deal, a pre-Black Friday deal. You're also going to get this bad boy, which is a free manicure kit. Gentlemen, it's a $25 value, so you're getting a 20% off coupon. You're also getting a $25 manicure kit. And this bad boy is something that every single well-groomed gentleman needs in his grooming arsenal. It comes in a sexy case that zips, but then inside, that's where the grooming magic happens. You're gonna get everything you need to look fresh and sexy. You're getting clippers, you're getting nippers, you're getting scissors, you're getting tweezers, but then you're getting a nail file, a cuticle pusher, a thing to trim your cuticles, gentlemen. This bad boy has everything you need. I'm giving it away. It's free for those of you who take up this deal, which is not going to last. Are you ready? Here it is. Once again, if you spend $70, you're getting a discount code for 20% off. You're also going to get a free $25 manicure kit. All the information and the code is around here somewhere. Do not wait. I told you this deal, pre-Black Friday, it's not getting better than this, so grab it now while supplies last.